Hello my friends, so today we will talking about this trouble code. It's a P0420. What is say? What is mean? It means that the low efficiency of the catalytic converter. What it mean? It means that the catalytic converter that you have in the car start to working no good. No bad, but no good. Like not 100%, about 60, maybe 50%. But if you will go to some garage or some mechanic, he will say need to cut it. And question, for what? Like need to change it. But this you have original from Japan, maybe not from Japan, but original by Toyota. And if you will change it to China's one, that is bad, low, it will no good. So don't cut, even if you have this trouble code, don't cut the catalytic converter. Why? Because when you will need to do early test, you will have the problem. Yes. Even if you will change to the China's one, you also will have the problem after 1 year. Because the China's not working long time. It working 1-2 years, not a lot. But you have original one. So don't remove it, don't do nothing. And what I offer to you, it's possible to disable this function, disable the function of the checking of the catalytic converter. Like the car will drive, catalytic converter working not for 100%, but it's working. It's working for 60%. It's enough to over the early test. Yeah, okay? Just need to remove, to disable in computer. In computer, need to disable this function. And you will have no trouble code. Yeah? So how to do it? Need to refresh the computer. But I offer to you this option. Another one with fully refreshed. You see? No cut. Oh, don't see. Okay. So, this computer. You change it and the car has no this trouble code anymore. But the catalytic converter still working and still you can over the early test. Okay? Now I will show you how it looks, how it working. It's very easy, not car only like this. It can be another Toyota, another car, no matter. Okay, this is the example of this Toyota, this trouble code. So if you need like this, message me, blah, 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 blah. Hello, yeah. And we'll figure out, yeah.